Hello guys, my name is Marcelo and I will give to you today a short explanation about spread operator in ES6. The spread operator represents as three dots. It's mainly used to spread and copy the values of an array or the properties of an object. It's also used for functions call. So I will give to you today some examples. So come with me. I will use it to show to you some examples JS bin. Okay? So first I will explain to you how to copy an array without using the spread operator. So let's create an array and assign the values here. Now I will create a second array and assign the first array to it. If I log the first array, we will get this here. And let's assign the array 2 also. Okay? Let's run. So you have the array 1 and this is the, let's put 2, clear. So we have now the array 1 with the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and array 2 with the values 1, 2, 3, 4. You may think that we have copied the array, but in fact the array 1 and array 2 are the same, exact the same. To prove that, let's get the array 2 and add some values in the end. Let's add the value 5, okay? So if I do this and I run again, you see that the array 1 also received the number 5, not only the array 2, because they are pointed to the same place in the memory. Remember that array is not primitive values in JavaScript. So how you can do this without using spread operator? One way to do this, you can use the slice function, okay? And if I use the slice function here, that's native function JavaScript, and I run again, I see that array 1 have still the same array assigned before, and array 2 have not only the values 1, 2, 3, 4, but also the value 5, okay? Now, how to do the same using spread operator? For that, I will in fact copy this here, okay? And I will comment here, so you can still look above. And then let's put here copy an array and assign values using the spread operator that is represented by 3 dots. Okay? So okay, so in this case I don't need to push anymore. So if I want to use the spread operator here, I have to do only this here. I have to put square brackets, okay? And now I have to put 3 dots here, okay? So I can clear the console, run again. So you see that now the array 2 is a copy of the array 1, but it's really a copy. For example, if I put array 2 but push 5, you see that only the array 2 get the number 5, okay? But spread operator is not only used to copy an array, it's used also at the same time that you can copy an array, you can assign values to that. So we don't need push anymore. I can do like this, 5, 6, so I can assign directly 2 values and not only 1. And I run again and you see that array 2 have the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the spread operator used in arrays that is very useful. Okay, now I will copy this again, comment here, and I show to you how we can copy an object. Okay, copy and object. Let's clear here. So for that, let's create an object. So I will not use square brackets more. I will curly braces. I use curly braces. And here, for example, let's put a property of name and a property value of John, and a property age and the value of 25. Okay, so it's the object. And then let's create object number 2, and the object number 2 will be like the first object. Okay, and I can now log the object 1 and also the object 2 to us to see. So I can run here, and what we can see here is that the object 2 is the same as the object 1. Okay, if I want to add a property to object 2, I have to do like this: object 2. Let's say I put a city and I put equal Boston. Okay, if I run this again, you see that the object 1 is the same as the object 2, and they both have the property of city. Okay, so how to use the spread operator in an object to really to copy it, okay, and also to add properties to this object. So the first thing is we don't need this anymore. Oh, let's let this here in fact, and let's use the spread operator here. So you have to use curly braces and 3 dots here. So you clear the console, run again. So you see that object 1 is still the same, just didn't change nothing to the object 1. But however, the object 2 now have additional property city here. And we don't need more to do this here. You can do the same as you have done with the array. I have only to put a comma and add directly a new property here. So I can say, like, for example, city, and I put, for example, New York. Okay, and if I clear and run again, you see that now the spread operator not only copy the object but add directly this property here with this property value of New York. Okay, so this is the spread operator used in object, and the spread operator use an array. Okay, so it's a brief explanation. If you want to know more, please go to the Mozilla developers website. You have much more example that I have shown to you here. Okay, thank you very much to watching this video. If you like, do not forget thumbs up and please subscribe. See you in the next video.